In this video, let's see the differences between interpreter and compiler. We usually write programming using any one of the programming languages like C, C++, C#, Java, Ruby, Python, or any other. So we write code using any of the programming languages which are understandable to us and are easy to write. These are considered as high-level languages. Why are these considered as high-level? Because a computer cannot understand the code which is written in English-like language. So then what a computer can understand? A computer can understand only binary code or binary language which is in the form of zeros and ones. So then what is required to convert the code written in programming languages into machine-level language? We need a software. We need a software to convert our code into zeros and ones, that is into machine-level language. So that software can be an interpreter or a compiler. So what's an interpreter and what's a compiler? Both do the same job of converting high-level code into machine-level language, zeros and ones, so that a computer can understand the code and it can execute and it can give you an output. So let's see in detail how an interpreter works and that of compiler. Programming languages like Ruby, Python, etc. uses interpreter. Compilers are used by C, C++, C#, Java, etc. There are other programming languages as well. So, in interpreter, it executes one line of a code at a time and converts it into zeros and ones, then moves to the next line, then executes, then converts it into zeros and ones. So it goes on line by line. So this is how an interpreter executes. How does the compiler execute? Compiler executes all lines of the code once and then converts it into zeros and ones. That means it executes all lines of the code once and converts it into machine level language. What happens if an error encounters while using an interpreter? The execution process, it stops immediately, it terminates immediately. What happens when an error is encountered while we are working with compiler? So, compiler executes all lines of a code at once. Then in the end it lists the list of errors. It also lists warnings as well as errors. This is how an interpreter and compiler works. So both are used for converting it into machine level language. Thank you.